talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night. Plotting, scheming, finding reason to defend all of your violent nights.